Hello everyone, today welcome to my channel. Today I will be presenting to you guys my image magazine. Well, first of all, if this is the first time you are actually passing by my channel, welcome and thank you. And if you have been supporting me on my channel, as I can see, thank you so much as well. And I do appreciate all your support, right? And that is why any magazine that I will have, I will pass it through so that you guys can look at it and see if there is something for you, right? All right. Anyway, with this magazine, actually, little story time on it. I remember I saw this magazine. I ordered it actually. I didn't want to do it, but then one of my daughter, the youngest one, said to me, "Oh, mommy, why can you not just order it and then you will get this magazine as a present?" Because this magazine is not every month or every 2 months, whatever it is. So when I ordered it, this one will just come like next year. So I thought, why would I do that? So my daughter just said, just do it. It's a present for you. Actually, that's what I did. And then I almost forgot. I forgot actually that I ordered this magazine. And so the magazine just came up to the post of recent. So I thought, whoa, that is nice. So I was actually happy that I got this magazine. I glanced through it. It's very nice. Well, my image magazine is uh, it's not popular yet. Please, you guys can help to promote this magazine. It is you can actually get different languages on it. You have the Dutch, you have the English, you have the German language, and you have uh, French. So these are all these languages are the most popular language in the world. So if you can speak any of these languages, you are good to go, right? And also, this magazine, if you happen to get a copy of this magazine, it's also very nice because they do have the PDF pattern, which you can just download on the website. You go there, you download it, and then you are good to go to make your outfit. Okay, so this um, cover page, look at this. It's really very beautiful. The fabric just like lace that they use for it, but I'm not sure. But anyway, um, this magazine is actually from size 34 to 52, which is maybe American size or UK. It could be XS, that's extra small, to 3 extra large. So you should bear that in mind. And so because all the whole pattern doesn't indicate which what size this, so all the size in this magazine is just that size 34 to 52. So you can have your size to make, right? So these are all the overview pattern in this book. Okay. Okay, so this is the first one. I really love this. You can see how the dress is being made, and at the end you have a very long sleeve, and so it is quite open, but you can see it just down your hip, right? So if you want to make it shorter, you can make it shorter, so it's up to you. If you want to make the dress also longer, it's up to you, right? Okay, so we have the okay, it's just the same as you can see. Yeah, it's the same. So and then so look at the way they make it here. Here they have a kind of um design. Maybe there's elastic on that side, so things like that. So it is real very beautiful. So you can use something like African print fabric would be very nice here, or satin, or any other polyester fabric, I guess. But all these styles are all summertime. But I will actually advise you, instead of polyester, you should use cotton. Cotton is very nice, or linen. Those fabrics, they are very nice during the summer months. Okay, so now this is the jumpsuit. You can see it looks really beautiful. It doesn't even really look like jumpsuit, but it is jumpsuit. If you look at it here, it's like they're having a long shirt. Anyway, it is jumpsuit. As you can see, it is very nice. So this is how it looks like at the back. It looks good. This is the front part. So then you have a belt on it that you can tie it to give you a little bit more shape. Another beautiful dress. This dress. Well, it's a dress, but to my liking, I feel that it's a little bit too short. So you can make it longer if you wish. Make it longer, make it shorter. For those who love shorter dress like this, they can use it. They can just make it just like this. It is, like when you go to the beach, this is very nice. This is a short dress which you can use when you're at the beach, alright? Okay, but then you can still use the same style to make a very beautiful long dress. It's very simple, very, very easy to make, alright? So this is the dress we saw earlier as well. You can see now, we can see the back of the dress. You see? So you can see the back has a button at the collar, and it has an opening at the back. So definitely this dress is easy to put on, and it's also easy to make. Alright, so you can do that. You can go at the pocket if you like. So it's so you have a lot of options now. Alright, so we have this beautiful look at this animal print fabric. It looks beautiful, really, for those animal lovers. Tiger, whatever it is, zebra, those people. Okay, this is very good. The style is very nice. You have a button there, we saw it earlier. This top with buttons and the shirt, as you can see. This is really beautiful, really, really beautiful. But anyway, you can, if you're like me, I would love to use other fabric to make it. I love animal print fabric, but the only thing is that I love it when you have it on the back, when you use it to make bags, or you have shoes to match your bags. I love that. I have something like this. But then I have a dress, skirt, and top that I got from a friend. I don't know. I haven't wear that dress for ages. I won't wear it. I love it. I won't wear it, but because I'm not so crazy about the animal print dresses to wear. But I love it for shoes and bags. That is me, but you are not me. So you can go ahead and look for this fabric and make something for yourself. Alright? Okay, so this was another beautiful print that you have here. It's also very simple. It's a very simple, easy dress to make. But unfortunately, it is on PDF. So you can go online there and print it out. Just print your size like that. Good to go. Okay, so this is the top earlier. So you can make it longer, you can make it shorter, you can use it for a pant, you can use that pattern as well to make a dress. It's easy, the pant is easy to make, the top as well. So, and then you see here is the other pattern as well. We have this another fabric now. So you have the same pattern, you have buttons from top to down, which is very, very nice. Okay, so we hope the summer can come soon. Okay, so this is the PDF dress that we saw earlier. So you can now use also animal print fabric to actually make it. It's very nice. Yeah, it's gorgeous. And look at this. This is jumpsuit. It's the same pattern that we saw earlier, but then you can use other fabric. You can even use whatever fabric you choose. polyester, whatever it is. You can use that one if you like. Okay. So if you have this book, please, you can don't forget to go to the website, and they will instructed you on what to do, on how to download the pattern. Okay. Yeah. There's another beautiful, but I love this one. I love this jacket. This jacket, it is very short jacket. It's to your waist everywhere. Has a big buttons. Alright. Has a 5 big buttons on it. And you can see this. Look at the wrist. Has a wide elastic. Maybe that elastic there could be like a 5 centimeter. Something like that. I'm not sure. But when you are making the pattern, then they will show you exactly how wide of elastic you should use. Alright. So this is very nice. This jacket you can use it to combine with a dress, with a top, you know. So it is very nice. You can just wear it, you know, with your and this chilly. You know, I could love to make this jacket with fleece fabric. You know, I love fleece fabric. Fleece fabric, it is nice and warm. But yet they have so many different types. The one that peel, always peel, and the other one that is very smooth. When you can get that, that is really my favorite. I love that. You don't want to make your jacket, your sweater, wherever it is very nice, beautiful. Okay, so this another overlap top. Actually, overlap top you can make with ties. Then you can just wrap up, just round your waist, then you tie it up there. So you can see the sleeve a bit wider, which is nice. Okay. Okay. So this is the one we saw. So as earlier, the top is very easy to make. There's nothing to worry about. You can get a pattern like that. You can order it, or you go to the website to get your PDF magazine. It's very easy. It's very easy. The pant is also quite easy. Okay, so this is that. This is also another top. They have so many tops in this magazine, and different ways that you can use it. It's a top that you can make. You can just wear it straight, and with this pant so earlier, and then here you see you can you're tucking the top in. All right. Okay, so that is that. And this for kids, but anyway, we don't have for kids now. So this is number 1, number 2. So we got for number 3. Okay, these numbers, number 1, number 2, number 3, these are the pattern that are PDF that you can go to the website and get your pattern. Alright, so if you happen to have this book, just go to the website and the instruction will follow, and then you will get all this free of charge. Yeah. Okay. Well, once again, I'm not paid to say this, but I just want every one of us who loves sewing to benefit from what they are doing. All right. Okay. So I could also go there and just get my own copy, download that, and make that. What I'm thinking about that, I may do that, and I can show you guys on my channel. Alright, so this is it, folks. Thank you so much for watching, and I do appreciate, and I thank you for taking your time to actually sit down with me and enjoy the magazine review with me. I appreciate you very, very much, and I love you guys. Those my followers. Thank you. Share my video if you like it. Please give me a thumbs up, because that would really be helpful. And share my video to your friends and your family. Alright? And what can I say? Practice makes perfect. If I can do it, you guys can do it as well. Alright? So have a good day wherever you may be. Bye.